is to remove the air filter and replace it with some sort of a coupling or connector, which can provide you an air-sealed connection. In my case, I managed to find this thermal coupling with a drill the hole in the cap and inserted this, as you see. Let me just see what will happen if I turn this air compressor on. Ready? Go. Connectors to the reservoir tank, and all these have to be airtight. So I carefully I know, at first it doesn't sound like anything serious, but I've managed to get up to 30 psi of air pressure. And the beauty of it is it doesn't need any electricity or cranking. Well, technically though, it uses the power of city water pumps, or any other water pumps, which is the source of pressure for the water. For the oil extractors tube, at first I decided to go with silicone tubes. The suction tube's tip is now on the bottom of the right side container. And the vacuum tank is connected to the reservoir tank. So if I open the valve on the vacuum tank, the suction which is created in the reservoir tank will start to